Okay, folks, get your cello in sitting position and make sure it's on the correct side of your body, on your left side. We're going to put our thumb behind the fingerboard, like so. Your cello may come with tape to help you know where the notes are. Your cello may not. We're going to be using our ears and our eyes for right now. So step one is we're going to identify that we're trying to play a G off of the D string, the third string up. You're going to be playing the G with your pinky. You're going to have your hands stretched out, kind of like this. Make this shape with me. Okay, now make a C position for cello. And feel how open those hands are. Make sure they're real wide. If your hands aren't wide, you're not going to be able to get to the note without making some major adjustments. We want to be able to practice from the beginning what we want to see at the end, which is pro style playing. My hands are small, so don't think that I've got like some gigantic hands and this is super easy for me. This is hard, so I'm right there with you. For right now, we're just going to talk about putting our fingers onto the strings and playing the note in question. Okay? So if you would, try to make this happen off of your D string, the third string up from the bottom. Okay? Try to make these strings come down. And then try to get a sound to come out. Make sure your pinky is the one that's engaged the most. We tell our students to push all of the fingers down to help you support the string resonating. It is possible to do this with them off, but I'll caution you against doing that. Go ahead and get in the habit of having all the fingers down and focus your energy primarily into the pinky. Once you've got that, move on to the rest of this video. Pull up your tuner, make sure that your open strings are in tune. Pause the video and do that now. Now that you've got your open strings in tune, we're going to practice playing the G off of the D string. So spread those fingers again. Make sure that they're all coming in contact with the string. If you're getting a buzzing noise when you play, just make sure, if you're getting that sound, be sure to push down a little harder and to come from on top, okay? Especially younger students, when they go on top of the strings, they may try to come at it from the side and scoop in. Make sure that C position is always intact and that you have that thumb securely on the back and lots of downwards pressure, downwards. Okay, I went ahead and tried to play my G, and what I realized was that I had to come in a little bit. Now my sticker tape is probably pretty close to perfect, but I'm having to play it a little lower than what my tape says. Maybe my D is out of tune. Nope. So always understand that your tape is not perfect. You're going to have to use your ears in some cases. When you're using your tuner, just make sure that this is a chromatic tuner. I'm using the one that comes with Smart Music, but you may be using like a free chromatic tuner. Just Google it, chromatic tuner. I may put it in the description if I have time. But make sure it's in the green and it says G, or as close to 0 cent sharp and flat as you can get. Now, like I said before, when you come back to this every single day, you're going to get better and better at it. I haven't played the cello in probably 12 years. It's my first time playing it today. You're seeing it on the fly. And what I'm experiencing is, yeah, my hand's a little tired from doing this. And yeah, I'm not seeing this the way that I need to see it. And my feel is not exactly where it should be. But the more that I do this, I know this from experience from before, when you do this more often, you're going to get more comfortable with where you put your fingers, your ears are going to get better, and it's going to get a lot easier. Let me know if these things helped you. Reach out with any questions or concerns you might have. Good luck. You're going to be awesome. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.